Oh my god.
Blind football ranking. Kevin De Bruyne, I think 4. Sadio Mane 8. Harry Kane 6. I love Neymar 3. Hey Ninja Turtle 2. Holland is a good goal scorer 5. Karim Benzema 7. We don't have many rankings left. Salah 9. Who's coming in last place? Of course, Pessi. That's a great lineup.
I'm better than you, Ronaldo. This ranking is rubbish.
All right, let's ask the viewers. Who is better? Messi fans like subscribe. Ronaldo fans like comment. Blind foot.
Babe, tara kain na tayo dun sa may karinderya ni Aling Mildred. Sorry Marvin, pero break na tayo. Buti nga natiis ko pa yung mukha mo na isang linggo eh. Ew. Pinagpustahanan ka lang namin ng sisi ko para maging girlfriend mo ko. Pangit na nga, tanga pa. Hindi mo ba alam? GF siya ni Boss Mark. Sa tingin mo magkakagusto talaga ako sa'yo? Eh ang pangit-pangit mo. Tingnan mo nga yung ilong mo, parang inapakan ng elepante. Ay, pango. Pango. Umalis ka na nga dito, pango. Bakit kasi ang pangit-pangit ko? Ang pangit-pangit ko! Ang pangit-pangit ko!
which one of them is a zombie?
Could you guys speed up there? My situation is an emergency.
You have no idea what an emergency is, lady. Look at me.
I really feel like biting you, sir.
What? So, can you guess which one of